Yeah, hey, congratulations, you found this video. I want to tell you about Experiment 3. Experiment 3 has a serious problem, and that problem is called getting done. So I'm going to give you a few tips to try to help you get done in 2 hours and 50 minutes. The first part of this lab actually isn't supposed to take very much time, but people end up wasting a lot of time because they can't figure out how to do the calculations. So to save time, let's figure out how we're going to do these calculations ahead of time. You'll notice that it says we're provided with milk in a 15 milliliter screw cap tube. The 15 milliliters is irrelevant. That's just the size of the tube. The mass of the powder is provided on the sample. Let's say that our sample says that we have 0.328 grams of powder, and that's provided. We're going to add 10 milliliters of water to that powder. Now, since we're looking for a concentration, and we know that concentration is mass over volume, all we have to do is put the 10 milliliters of solution on the bottom. And if we wanted to know the concentration of powder per milliliter, we'd be done. The problem is that we don't. The information that we're given says that there's 8 grams of protein per 23 gram serving. So that's a ratio, and if you're a fan of the factor label method like me, you know that we can convert by simply multiplying by a fraction that's made of that ratio. So we just put 8 grams of protein on the top. We put 23 grams of powdered milk. So now we put the units in so that grams of powder cancel out, and that leaves us with protein over milliliters. So to find the answer, all we have to do is take 0.328 times 8 divided by 10 divided by 23, punch it in the calculator, and we come up with 0.0114 grams of protein per milliliter. Now, we often wonder about significant digits here. The problem, even though we have 3 significant digits over here, the information that we have about the protein from the package is really crummy. So we really only have about 1 significant digit. So I could probably have written this as 0.01, but just to maintain accuracy, we should probably have at least 2 significant digits. So either 0.0114 or 0.011 would also be okay.